I'm up here getting a bird's eye view of the 2026 ISN Tool Dealer Expo. You know, we're here to do the Tool Time podcast for TechShop live. I'm ready to talk to some of these companies and do some podcasts. Joining us today is Mike Israel, brand manager for Atlas Equipment and TMR. Mike, thanks for joining us on the podcast.
Thanks. Glad to be here.
What do you think about the energy of this show? Is this awesome or what?
It is. It's almost like this every year, and I think this year is even better. High energy with NOD, ASW, and ISN.
Absolutely awesome. So tell us about what you do for Atlas Equipment.
My role is in brand management. So I work with almost everybody in the company, from replenishment to buying to marketing to warehousing, and we build on top of what we've been doing the last 44 years with Atlas Equipment.
That's great. That's great. You know, Mike, you were telling me about, before we started shooting, you were telling me a little bit about all the companies that work under ISN, and Atlas is obviously one of them, right? And do you work with the others too?
I do. In the ISN field, we have 4 brands on that, and that would be K-Tool, that would be TMR, that would be Atlas, and then that would be Mountain.
Okay, that's great. So what do you guys have that's new this year?
On the Atlas side, we have new wheel lifts. We have lift lights that are new to help for the DIY hobbyist side, and we have some new larger size spray wash cabinets that we're debuting at the show as well.
Really? Okay.
That's awesome. So you've got a lot of stuff going on at the booth, huh?
Yes, we have 40 pieces of equipment put together, some of them in demonstration mode. We have our suppliers here helping us out. So if we need anybody to come by the booth for expertise, we're locked and loaded.
So I'm curious, tell me a little bit about the equipment you have over there. What are some of the things we can see?
We have 2-post lifts, we have 4-post lifts, sandblast cabinets, spray wash equipment, truck alignment systems. We also have a tractor in the booth that we have mobile columns. We'll be putting that baby up in the air, and we'll have a good time with all of that stuff.
Really? So you can actually lift a truck here on the show floor?
And we will. Yes, we can.
That's crazy. That is really neat. I mean, I really want to go see that.
Oh yeah, that is awesome. So Atlas is covering automotive space, truck space. What about motorcycles and power sports? You have equipment there too?
We have that. We actually have a motorcycle lift on display there. And as I always like to say, we have everything from A to Z, air compressors to wheel balancers, lifts in between. We got it all.
What's your hot ticket item? Like, what do you think is one of your big sellers?
The number one seller almost here is 2-post commercial lifts. Really? So we can do that with the shops, all the mechanical shops. And then, of course, if a DIY wants it, we have that type of DIY equipment as well.
Really? So you fit all the different, any aspect of consumer, huh?
Any corner, regular to heavy duty.
Yeah, that's great.
That's awesome. Great. That's great stuff. So I say we head over to the booth and let's just check some of this stuff out. What do you think?
I'm
great. Would you be willing to let us take a look?
Let's do it.
I want to play with some stuff.
Let's head over and do it. All right, come on, let's head over to the booth. All right, so we're here at the Atlas booth, 2-post lift. Tell us about this, Mike.
Well, this is our top seller. It's an ALI certified lift for all garages or homeowners. And basically an ALI means it's just consistently made the same way for a period of 5 years following the standards. Very, very good seller for us.
Awesome, it's a great piece of equipment, and you can see you've got some neat accessories for it, some ATV attachments.
We do, and they're called wheel forks. Okay. So basically you can put ATVs, golf carts, lawnmowers, and that's an accessory where you can turn your lift into a versatile way of repairing other small vehicles.
This is awesome, but you can picture this in your garage, Tom.
Yeah, I know. I really want this. So you were telling me a little bit about it. I mean, I could put this technically in my house, and if I wanted to work on my lawnmower or a four-wheeler or my car, this does it all, right?
100%. You're right on. You're right on.
I mean, is it hard to change out?
Nope, it's a pin. You pull the pin, lift it up, no different than doing this right here.
Okay.
And then the pin locks it in because of the weight.
Wow, that's pretty neat. So we're over at the Atlas area, and I mean, I'm just looking around here and I'm overwhelmed. There's so many crazy things here. I mean, what was this over here? I was looking at this sign.
Yeah, let's check this out.
What is this? I was curious. Accessories, replacement parts. I mean, is this for all of your equipment or?
It is. We pride ourselves to have replacement parts, whether they're warranty parts, replacement parts, or consumable parts for every product that we sell. So we want to be the person that keeps everybody's lift running just like you would maintenance on a car. This extends the life of the lift, or tire changer, or wheel balancer, and that's what the different parts are.
So you guys want to be able to cover everything at any time?
We want to keep our customers happy and coming back for us for a long, long time.
That makes sense, and that's a good way to do it.
Depend on Atlas. If you have a problem, you need parts, you can get them.
Yes, that's true.
That's awesome. So this is awesome stuff. So what's up next, Mike? Tire changers?
Yeah, let's go over the wheel service, tire changers and wheel balancers.
All right,
let's
do it. Love to see it.
So Mike, tell us about the tire changers and wheel balancers you've got here.
I've got you. In the Atlas assortment, we have over 20 different models, tire changers, wheel balancers. We have our Atlas Platinum model, and the reason why it's called Atlas Platinum, it's got a 2-year warranty. Our Atlas Blue has a 1-year warranty. And the other cool thing about it is we build them all, tire changer, wheel balancer, to match together, and we call that a combo. So what that means, if you buy 2, you not only get a reduced price, but they're built to work together. So one doesn't do a little bit of stuff, the other does more. They're all built to do the same for the same vehicle. So it's really easy for the shop owner or the purchaser to go, hey, this is what I need, and it matches up.
That's awesome. What are some of your more popular units?
The tilt-back PTC 600 is one of our most popular. Okay. Our most popular is our TC 289 tire changer, and it pairs up with our WB 41 wheel balancer. But this is a PW 70. It's our second leading seller too.
And what we were talking about before, where you were telling me about all the replacement parts, that applies to everything right here too, right?
100%. So any replacement part on here, if they needed the jaws, if they needed that foot pedal, if they needed this cone right here, we have each and every one of those things almost guaranteed in stock all the time.
Is that something that if you need some parts, you look online, or do you have a number you call?
Both ways. We have a website, or we got phones, and we have techs answering the phone. Most techs have been with us 10 plus years, so they can get the parts out to the customer. If customer doesn't know what they need, I'll guarantee you they know what the customer needs.
Yeah, but that's key for a shop owner, right? I mean, you need to have your equipment up and running at all times, and time is money. Yeah, that's huge. That's really huge.
Yeah, we don't sell disposable equipment. We want equipment to last dozens of years.
What are some of the unique features of these?
Well, on this particular one, the best feature on this one, it's tilt back, which means you can get larger tires and more space to work. Okay. So, but you got to have more footprint in your shop. And then, of course, when you come over, the wheel balancer is all about computers and balancing on that. So it's all technology driven, to where this is not super technology. It's just basic in that line. But that's probably the best thing.
But there's a lot of thought behind the engineering of something like this, right?
Yes. Yeah. And it's done for one-person shops all the way up to very busy tire shops. So we got models that fits all in between.
And so this will do pretty much the biggest diameter wheels you can...
For automotive, yes.
Automotive,
yes. Yeah, and we have a heavy-duty line that we don't have on display today that does tractor-trailer tires, 19.5s, dump trucks, and all that as well, just not on display.
That's awesome. Well, speaking of shop equipment, I know coming up, you got air compressors, right?
Oh, yes.
One of the big keys.
A shop needs air.
All right, well, let's go take a look at those compressors.
Right. Let's do it.
All right.
What's up, Henry?
Hey, Mike, how are you?
Henry.
Hey,
Henry.
Hey, nice to
meet you as well.
So we're here. I see Atlas Air Force, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so tell us about these compressors.
Well, what we got here is we got shop equipment and air compressor line that fits what shops need. So we have it in vertical models that's on display here, anywhere from 5 horsepower all the way up to 10 horsepower. Then we have horizontal models that's similar to this, all the way up to 13 horsepower. Now this is a gas model. It's one of our top sellers, so this would go on the back of a repair truck that goes up and down the highway, and that's what these do. These right here are shop compressors that will be able to air up a shop to run all their air tools in their shop. And with just a different size tank, 60 gallon, 80 gallon, and different horsepower.
Awesome.
We got 14 different models.
14 different models.
Henry is our supplier for this. Henry is for Mega Power down in Houston. Henry, what do we need to know about air compressors?
Okay, so let's kind of talk about units.
Yeah.
Okay, so for like this unit here, we have a lower shutoff. which is basically protecting the pump and auto drain. And the nice thing about this unit is we also have a package under a belt guard after cooler. Okay. So you can take off some of the condensation from the air and keeps the parts running cool. Yeah.
Lasts longer, don't it?
Yeah, lasts longer.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So you said you had 14, is that
14
right?
14 different models.
14 different models. Just out of curiosity, what made you choose these ones for display?
Well, you got different size shops. Yeah. You got paint shops, so they're going to need a different CFM that it's in there, so it has to have a larger tank. And then you got a homeowner that don't want to spend money, so you got to give them a smaller model to fit inside their garage, home garage. So that's the reason why we have the different models, or the quantity of models.
So I'm seeing a lot of common themes here, though. You've got stuff for the shop owner, for the heavy-duty segments, but you also appeal to the consumer as well. So the DIYers, there's equipment for them too.
Yes, and we've got the whole line, not just an air compressor. So we have it in lifts, we have it in tire changers, wheel balancers, etc. So yes, we do.
Yeah, that's great. And of course, I keep asking, repair parts?
Absolutely. Henry, do we have repair parts?
Yes, everything from switch, starter, motor, filter, replacement, everything. Yeah.
That's great. That's great.
Yeah, because if this thing goes down, you're in trouble. Yeah. You know what I mean? So it's like, you need parts right away.
So I love these compressors, but I'm not going to lie, I'm dying to go check out this lift with the truck on it. I really want to see
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
This is it. This is the one I'm excited to see, Mike. What do we got here?
This thing's awesome.
We've got a 66,000 pound capacity mobile column lift. And as you can see what we got on here, we got a little bit tiny car up here right now, or truck in that line. But these are designed fire trucks, garbage trucks, city buses, tractor trailers, any large equipment. Keep in mind 66,000, but we go all the way up to 111,000.
Really?
111,000 pounds. So if we find something that's really big, and I don't know what really big will be, we've got the capacity to do it. We have 4 models.
So these can really, the way these stand alone, sort of, it's like any wheelbase.
Yes.
You just move these individual units.
And the other good thing about it is when the job's over with, they're on a pallet jack frame. You just roll them to one side of your shop, and then you got that free space again to do whatever you want to do in there, park vehicles, work on vehicles. So they are each individual, portable, just like a pallet jack.
That's awesome. So you could even use these in the lot. I think I've seen pictures like
absolutely.
that. The shops will roll it out in the lot if they've got to get something up.
You could put cars on it, but they're designed for trucks. Why waste your money to lift a car when you can get an affordable lift, right? Yeah. But they are portable. They slide in on the size of the tire. It'll raise up a 6,000 pound car just like it would a 100,000 pound fire truck.
Wow. But then if you happen to have a motorhome or something, this is like the ultimate.
Yeah. All right, so I'm going to have to get one of these too.
Yeah, really.
And then I got to get a motorhome
two-post,
too.
right? Yeah, you got to get
it. Wow, this is pretty cool.
Well, awesome. Really
I got to tell you, Mike, really thank you so much for showing us everything. You guys have such an incredible setup here today, and this has been a lot of fun seeing everything.
It's been totally awesome. Thank you, Mike. This has been fantastic.
Thanks a lot.